Hi everyone! Today's tutorial will show you how to remove a background noise in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let's get started. First, head over to the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the screen. Then, hover to your voice isolation option and click Enable. And here, DaVinci Resolve will automatically reduce a background noise like fans, air conditioners, and other distractions. However, take note that voice isolation is only available if DaVinci Resolve is upgraded to a studio version. And for a better results, you can fine-tune your voice isolation strength to match your audio needs. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can clean up your audio and improve your sound quality. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.